So we are stringing along birthday right now. There's the birthday girl. Focus. Mahogany's over there dedicated, pulling up balloons and watching, reading text messages. Alright, you guys, so TikTok hack. John has hung all the balloons up there. Not all of them. We still got a whole lot. But I wanted to show you guys something. Okay, so these are glue dots. So you don't have to have helium. You take the glue dot, at the top of it, put it on top of the balloon, release it. It's a little circle there. Here you go. Oh Lord Jesus. Be careful, John. Don't step in the crack. And then all you have to do is just stick it on the ceiling. And that's it. And it stays. So.
Okay, guys, so we just put the things on the cupcakes. And
Cupcake toppers.
Cupcake topper. And they look so cute. On 2 of them, I did sweet 16 per. Look at the little tutus. So, yeah. Blowing up the balloons. Get into it.
Hello, you guys. It's your girl Keela coming at you, Naturallydubk, and the members of
The Nothing But Us.
And today is Micaiah's birthday. And she's having a few friends over. She turned 16, so stay tuned. Mahogany did my makeup. She put some foundation on my face. She said I look alive. Fleshy. She said I got some color to me. Is that what you said?
Yes.
But
Did I mean it?
Can you do my eyebrows too?
Want some extensions?
Look at this.
You want some extensions? You want some eyebrow extensions?
She's gonna do me some eyebrow extensions. So, do you want to do it on camera for him?
Sure.
If you guys want to see her do my eyebrow extensions,
I did my own.
she do her own. Comment below, and she's gonna do a video on me. Stay tuned. Oh, that little sign gonna blow.
I just texted you last week the chicken was done.
That sign gonna. Oh yeah, I'm sure it is.
Hey guys, welcome to Chili. Would you like to start the night off with? Wait.
What is that? Blank plus blank
Equals blank. We have to have 3 cards.
We gonna need some
Doing
more.
too much now.
Yeah, cards.
Here, we can just here. I still want to know how to play crab.
Oh, that's still a good one. What does the card say?
Blank, blank, blank. Oh my gosh.
Y'all see my salt rock over here?
I just threw some out. Who's here?
Oh, I was talking.
Ooh, I think I got it.
Blank plus blank equals blank. Okay.
I'm mad at you.
You're like, He was like, what's all the promotion, huh? What are we talking about?
Hey, Gabe. How y'all doing? Oh, look, I'm acting brand new. Sorry.
You know the birthday. Hey guys.
What's up?
It's being Gabe's yearly
Birthday segment.
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 Yeah.
So y'all, we're gonna develop this into a tradition. Actually, we're gonna do this every year, and then basically until we graduate, and we even go into college.
Very much so, even if it's virtual. Yeah, you're gonna get the daily content.
Bro, I want to get contact with this.
So yeah, post it. Yeah. We don't. What did we even talk about last year?
Yeah, no, they do it in like a second. It's really quick.
Yeah,
We're gonna
but it's
probably
$150 just for the session. And then the
Rebecca,
contacts are on more.
she's 16, I'm 15. Next year,
Oh, imagine.
17,
How are they doing?
18.
Oh, you have a
My
mustache.
mom
Purr.
was
I do?
and I think they'd be so much easier.
Really?
They are a lot easier.
We're putting.
They're
Wanna
paid sometimes,
Say hi
though.
to our segment. Say hi, Brooklyn. Bye. Okay, guys.
Oh.
Okay, let's grab my cupcake. I want.
Come on, birthday girl, get your cup. Get your 16. I'm sorry. Did you get her a 16?
Take those out.
What those come on there?
Can you put on? Okay.
What you want her to do now?
16 gonna get stuck in. Do you want the single? No.
Gabe. Okay.
Wait a minute. Let me get my phone.
I'm ready when you guys are.
She's the best. I can't sing, or I would. Oh, sorry. Yes, I can.
Can we get a countdown?
Happy birthday.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Stop.
Spin.
He act like it's his birthday.
All right, you guys.
Thank you. I do them myself.
You gonna have the time now? It'd be like that.
I had to tie the balloons.
Are those polka dots?
That's why I'm playing.
It's cow print.
I'm dead. I carry super glue with me everywhere when I have to get my nails done. Everywhere.
When you want something else, you good?
I'm okay. Thank you.
Juanita.
Well, I was finna try to help you.
Oh, thanks.
Okay. Oh, I look orange. Me and Didi. Let's explain our friendship to the vlog.
Micaiah came up to me, and you know what she said? She said, "You look like Zendaya," and I was like, "Thank you, I know."
Bye.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah, we met. I said, "Oh my God, you look just like Zendaya. Like Zendaya wants to be you."
That's exactly what.
And then what did you say back?
You know what I said? I said, "I know she's just my cousin."
Oh yeah, yeah. And I was like, "Purr, you got a famous cousin, Purr."
Yeah.
Her wasn't even around when we all met.
Period.
We met last year. What you mean?
Her just came around.
You see them hating on us? They want to be us so
wanna be us
bad.
so bad.
It's embarrassing.
Okay,
Look at Josh.
Alicia.
We gotta show them.
Oh, he still looks a mess. Okay. Okay. Alicia, let's explain our friendship to them.
How did we meet?
In sixth grade,
Yeah, but we had a lot of classes together. We had like
we
every class.
did, but I don't know when we first talked. I don't know. We
PE, that was juicy.
No, we
No,
didn't have
we
PE. She didn't have PE.
Y'all had PE together.
yeah, we did in
Mr.
sixth
Stinson.
grade.
No,
But
that-
I think we met math because math came before PE.
Yeah, but we had another class with that, right?
Yeah.
You remember we had?
We met in
it
sixth
said
grade.
My vlog. Hold up.
Okay.
You remember
Me
my
and Sid.
vlogger?
Okay, Sid. I'm trying to get the angles without making it shaky. Okay.
What did you call her?
Ow. Finger. Ow. Okay.
You would have ran that.
How do we meet, Sid?
We met last year, but we didn't start talking until this year.
That's exactly how we.
Yep.
Brooklyn. Y'all know Brooklyn's the baddie. Okay, Brooklyn. How do we meet?
You kept FaceTiming me during the summer riot.
Okay, but
No,
we met during school.
I don't know.
We met during school, but we got close during the riots and stuff because we would always FaceTime, but ever since then we just been close, really close. Gabe, how do we meet?
I don't remember that. Actually, we was in world history. Remember?
Yeah.
We was in world
But
history.
you remember even before world history, Gabe had came for me for my Crocs in choir class. That was our first like really good conversation.
Yeah.
I think on your first
No,
day
he came
you
for my
sounded
blue
good.
Crocs, my
'Cause
navy
you
blue
were like
Crocs.
right next to me.
Yeah.
She just started like sitting at the lunch table.
He just-
you just
He
became
pours the whole bottle of ranch. Anyways.
She forced herself into her.
I didn't force myself. Y'all.
It just happened to fit.
No, I just sat there one day, and ever since then, like we was just a group. I was. And then I. Anyways, okay. The group.
Oh, you just heard everybody.
She said she was.
You're lying.
You said you could not wait to come to town because you missed everybody.
I did miss y'all, and I couldn't wait to come back. But I didn't feel bad. I didn't feel bad. Anyways, let me through. Okay.
For real, she just be all up in the water.
Mez,
I do be up in the way.
Mez, how do we meet?
We had zoology together.
MPE.
We had zoology. No, we just
No, not zoology. Biology.
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 We had biology. Speaking of that, I went to
Sydney.
yeah, I went to say hi to Mr. Westhoff, and he said some. What he said? I said hi, Mr. Westhoff. He said hi to Shell. I said and he said, "Oh yeah, your name's what? No, he said Mikaela. I said Micaiah. He was like, "Oh yeah, it's been a while."
If I go and he doesn't remember me, I'm gonna be really sad.
You know who got it?
My teachers love me. They forgot
You got what?
all about you.
Oh mine. See, look, we're still rocking the bobs.
Your lashes are cute. Is that blue?
Let's take a picture.
What is she talking about? It's blood balloon.
Her lashes.
This is all getting edited.
Okay, guys. Okay, so we're gonna
Didn't make the channel.
we're gonna videotape when y'all want to play another round of the game, and then y'all want to take pictures and make a TikTok.
Yeah.
So that's the plan. That's what we're gonna do.
Mez wanna sing.
Hold up, let's see. If you want the best thing, you gotta hold up.
Today we're gonna watch one of our videos for the day. And we got everyone here because it is Micaiah's birthday today. Hey! Let me hold it. Let me hold it after you two. Let me hold it.
Okay, here. Let her.
And it's Micaiah's birthday and we're all here for her. Say something. Okay.
Just say hi.
Hi.
All right, go over there.
She's kind of. But anyway, so. Show them the video that we're watching. She's kind of shy. Let me see real fast. Let me see real fast. No. You watch me. You're not supposed to do that. We can do that if you want to. No, you have to. You can't take people's phones. I'll snatch it from their hands. This is one of our videos. You watch it for the day. Yes. Wait, we can't let nobody else hold it. Why are you dressing it?
You gonna share with your sister?
She was, but she was just taking. Her sister was